Landed. We're having a look at our little Sidewinder, and we got it set up on a bungee launch. So everything's stock, but now I'll show you the underneath side. Oops. So what I've done here, I've just got a plastic hook. You know those little foam stoppers you get on your quadcopters for your like landing feet that look like that? Perfect size. So what I've done is I've stuck it there. I've cut one down in half and stuck it in there. And that's him. So you can see how much it sits out. So let's just talk about the model. I reckon it's not a bad model, but if I'm going to buy one, I reckon it's not a bad model. But what I should have done is I should have bought the kit, because on the Hobby King website it says that everything you need except for the motor and the ESC, and they forgot to mention and servos. So I had to put my servos in. The only ones I had were these guys here, that Matty Ogborn's had about 15,000 of them and had, I think, one break. I've had 8 of them and I've had 2. One came faulty and the other one didn't last 2 minutes. Anyway, put that in there and you can't fit the cover over that. Not that I really matter about that. The stickers, these parts here, I asked on the forum how they were stuck on, and they're kind of hard. They're sort of hot glued, and I've put some sticky tape there just to stop it from lifting, but it would have been nice if that had a self-adhesive back on it and you just stuck it on. The number 79 is the year that I started work, and the number 83, that's when I met my lovely wife, 1983. So we're gonna go through and stick it on and just see how we go. And this is the launcher setup. So that's it there. It's got one of these D-shackles, and that just goes up under there. We'll stick and if you haven't seen this before, all I do is take about 12 paces out with that, and I've put a safety pin. You wouldn't like that to hit you in the leg or take off by itself. So I painted mine pink so I wouldn't leave it here. This is just a self-adhesive checker plate, sticky stuff. A couple of tent pegs. This just folds up. So I put this down, put this on, go out there, and then I just adjust that to the seat, and then I slide that cord up and down. So we're just going to see how that goes, because I did try this before, and man, I'm just a crap thrower, fixed wing pilot. I had 3 crashes and got it up on the 4th go, so let's see how we go. So here goes nothing.